what we're going to need is this guy to open up. We're going to get this bad boy out of here. And we are going to need this wall plate. We could use those screws, but not at the moment. And we're going to need this to connect to these two, black to black and white to white. And I'm gonna put this on right now because shooting the camera, this is gonna get crazy. Shooting the camera with one hand and then trying to narrate doesn't seem to work too well. So we're gonna put the camera down. Hopefully you guys can get the gist of what I'm doing. Now you might need a ladder or something, but I'm 6'6" or something like that. So, or 6'5", so it depends on who's measuring. We're gonna put this bad boy back on up here. We're gonna harvest the screws from the previous guys. And then we are going to put one in the middle because the sizing is different. We're going to put one in the middle and the inside ones. And then here, let me show you. We're going to put one in the middle, or the inside one. And then we're going to put the plate on like so. We're going to figure out how to get this bad boy there, and then we got to find where the other holes will be with this guy. So this is going to be a diagonal drill, so it's going to be strategy now. It's going to be strategy. And we are going to drill this bad boy in. Probably don't want to use a hammer drill if you're not very comfortable with them. But we're going to move this over to cover that gap and shoot this guy in and now we're all settled in. That gap is closed. There's a small one over here, but it's going to be covered by the install process. So what we have here, now that you got that part set up, is now we're just going to mount it. And we're going to go through the setup process. Once you got your wall plate, your ceiling plate on right there, it's just a couple more minutes, and yeah. So what we have here, we go through the app, go to your Nest app, go to settings, go down to add a product, scan the QR code, press next. And then we're going to go to master bedroom. It's going to start connecting the stuff. It's going to say, please pull the tab. After a few minutes, it's going to say pull the tab, which we're doing right now. We're going to go next.
Hi from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest.
You're going to click
Press the button now for English.
For English, you press the button on the other side like so.
Press to test.
And then, as you can see over here, we're seeing it go through. Connecting to master bedroom Nest Protect. This might take a while. Yada, yada, yada. It's loading up. setting up to the Wi-Fi. Now this took like twice as long because I'm shooting a video. This is raw and uncut. So the product is added to the Nest ecosystem as of now. One thing that I did notice about these is that they're way easier to set up than all the other ones. Especially the smart ones. This one's integrated real well into the whole Nest ecosystem, and I'm a Google Nest person, so I'm not trying to be biased or anything, but yeah. Nest Monday 11 a.m. 4 p.m. Okay, next. This is just all safety stuff, and then you're done. And then now you'll see it down inside of the bottom part of your nest area, and we'll go from there. So all we have to do is connect this wire, connect the black wire like so, and then connect the black wire like so, and then try to find the centering point, which is not always so easy to do. Okay, so we got one hook in, but we don't got the other ones. And I don't want to break nothing, but like I'm really good at that kind of stuff. If anybody knows who I am. Oh no. So we're having troubles pushing this bad boy up. I'm just like, okay, I think we got, okay, there we go. I don't think we got all of them, but okay. So I'll leave that to a technical thing because it's taking long now, but this is what it looks like at the end of it. And we have a lot of them. So that being said, hope that video helped you guys install your Nest Protect CO2 carbon monoxide. If you haven't already, go like, subscribe, follow, all that stuff. Everything social media, Shed Trout. And this is crazy. I'm getting a thumbnail, by the way. See y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.